In this video, I'm going to share with you the different types of hydraulic car lifters you can choose for your auto maintenance shop. If this is your first time joining me on my channel, my name is Ishak Ahmed, founder of Autocare 360, and on this channel we talk about general auto maintenance in terms of the business and how to maintain your own personal car. So consider subscribing to my channel if you find this video useful and for more content like this. There are several hydraulic car lifters out there, each of them designed for a specific purpose. And there are one or two things you may need to consider when choosing one of these car lifters, such as the lifting capacity of the lifter, how it operates, and what you want to use it for. So the very first one I'll be sharing with you is a two-post lift. Two-post lifts are widely used across the world, and they are the most common ones seen in various shops. Two-post lifts comes in different lifting capacity, mostly starting from a 3.5 ton upwards. 3.5, 4 ton, 5 ton, 6 ton, and the rest. So the type of cars you want to lift or the weight of cars you want to lift will play a very important role in choosing the lifting capacity of your two-post lift you want to acquire. Again, the height you want to lift your car will also be a factor. How high do you want to lift your cars, depending on what task you want to perform on the car. What influences the cost of them will be the lifting capacity. The higher the lifting capacity, the higher the price. The lower the lifting capacity, the lower the cost. So a 3.5 two-post lift will be cheaper than a 4.5 ton lifting capacity or a 5 ton or 5,000 kg lifting capacity. The second hydraulic car lifter I want to share with you is a 4-post lift. 4-post lifts are also commonly seen around or with mechanics or in mechanic shops. 4-post lifts have 4 posts or 4 stands that helps it stand firm and for mechanics to work on the cars. They also have middle jacks that can help in lifting the front and the back of the car to work on the tires and work on brakes or even the transmission. Again, they are also very useful for working on alignment. So if you want to work on the alignment of a car, a 4-post lift will help you, since they have a section that helps you put turning tables to help turn the tires and easily work on the alignment of the car. Lifting capacity for 4-post lift also start from 4,000 kg or 4 ton, 5,000 kg, even up to 10,000 kg. 10,000 kg 4-post lift is for heavy duty trucks. So basically a 4,000 to 5,000 kg lifting capacity or 4 ton to 5 ton lifting capacity is enough for a garage and for you to lift different cars in your shop. But if you want to lift heavy duty trucks, then you may need to consider a 5,000 to a 10,000 lifting capacity or 5 ton to 10 ton lifting capacity of a 4-post lift. But mostly 4 to 5 ton lifting capacity is acquired by many auto maintenance shops. One setback of a 4-post lift is that you need a larger space or a big space to mount. That is one setback of 4-post lift. Otherwise, it's very suitable. It has very high stability and it's difficult to fall if mounted very well. The third hydraulic car lifter I want to introduce to you is a scissor lift. Scissor lift comes in different types. The bigger ones or the main scissor lifts comes in two sections: the main scissor lift and a middle scissor lift or jack. The middle lift also serves as a lift or scissor lift, which can lift cars to work on the brakes, to work on their tires or change tires, balance tires, and other mini works that you can do on the car if you don't need to lift it very high. And they are also very good for alignment. Scissor lifts are also very suitable for alignment since they have space for putting the turning tables and adjusting them with your 3D alignment machine or any kind of alignment system you may need to adjust to it. Scissor lifting capacity also starts from a 3.0 ton to 10 ton, or a 3,000 kg lifting capacity to 10,000 lifting capacity. They comes in different forms. As I said before, there are small ones and there are bigger ones. For the small ones, mostly the lifting capacity is a 3 ton to 3.5 ton, and they mostly lift up to 1 meter height, but then some of them can go as high as 2 meters. They are also very stable and they can be used for different functions. The bigger scissor lift has two purposes, or they are multifunctional, which is also very essential for organizers and mechanics. They also have very high stability and the risk of falling is very low. Scissor lifts can be mounted underground, and they can operate from the ground. That makes it easy for movements in the car garage, and the operation of them from the ground is also very beautiful and nice to watch. Another hydraulic car lifter is the single post car lifter. The single post lifter has only one post lift, and it also takes the car up to 1.8 meters and mostly 3.5 to 4 ton lifting capacity. But the most common ones has a 3 to 3.5 lifting capacity. They only have one post and they take the car from the side and lift it up to the height you may need. They are not commonly used, but they are also mobile and you can push them around and within the car garage. Mid rising or the small scissor lifter are also mobile. You can move them around or you can mount them fixed in your car garage. That was a chipped in. The last but not the least hydraulic car lifter I want to share with you is the single or double underground hydraulic car lifter. These hydraulic car lifters are buried in the ground and they lift the car from the ground. From the video or from the picture, you can see how it looks like, and that is how they are. Single post or double post underground car lifters are not common, but they are also very good to employ if you want to have them in your workshop. So these are the various car lifters or hydraulic car lifters I want to share with you. If you find this video useful, like and share this video. Save you the hassle and time of selecting tools, equipment and machines. We have made it simple, designing various mechanic shop packages for you to set up your shop anywhere that you are watching me from. These packages simplifies the process of setting up an auto maintenance shop. So if you want to start an auto maintenance shop, our packages will make it very easy and simple for you. Since each package is designed to help you set up very easy, all that you need to do is to choose a package and we will do the rest of the job for you. Contact us today and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a good evening, good afternoon, or good morning. Bye bye.